Hi guys, my name is Daniel. I'm responsible for sales of succulents by Dumen Orange. What I sell is a lot of tropical plants and especially the succulents. For example, I'm selling Haworthia, I'm selling Gasteria varieties and also a lot of Echeveria varieties. Also we have other tropical plants, for example the Euphorbia mili. Over here we have the Echeveria parva. It's a wonderful variety. Over here you can see 3 cuttings in a pot. When you reduce the water gift, the red tips are very intense and the green leaves are very green. It's a wonderful variety. Also, for example, we have the Echeveria pink frills. The pink frills is famous because the flowers. So if you love the flowers, you can leave them. If you don't like the flowers, you can put them out. Also, we have a lot of Gasterias, wonderful varieties. They are tough and sturdy. Here you can see the Gasteria Flow, a very famous one. So, this is what I do, selling succulents. If you have some questions about the succulents, please contact me, send us an email, call us, and maybe we can help you with growing succulents. Thank you for watching. Bye.